a robotic project from school, and you need to know how to make it work properly so you will have a shot on getting a good grade. The tools we're going to be using are Legos and little bits. With the right items, you can make a robot or a helicopter that can actually work properly.
What are little bits and what do they do?
Using little bits, you can make circuits with no hot wiring to keep it together. Using little bits it's a easy electrical engineering to make a circuit. The basics of a robot is the circuits and the structures that builds it up. Every circuit needs three things: a power source, an input, and an output. Different outputs can make the circuit do an action, such as make a light go on or make something move. Inputs can control when to do the output, such as a light sensor or a switch. Another category is wires or attach-ons to make the input different. A well-known attach-on is the Arduino kit. It acts like input, but can be used for programming uses. A cloud bit is also a wireless way to communicate from one circuit to another. Using the cloud bit, it is able to communicate from one input to make it an output.
What are Legos?
Legos are little toys that they're plastic and they have stuff that you can connect them to other ones. And when you connect them to that, they can make more stuff than you can ever imagine. They can make Lego helicopters, Lego cars, Lego airplanes. They even have branded stuff for the Avengers, DC, and Lego City. But when you combine them with other stuff, it can make some stuff, but not everything. It can't make working stuff. Because, well, it can make rolling cars, but that's about it. Because they don't have any engines or stuff to power them.
How do we combine little bits and Legos?
We can make stuff like helicopters and you combine those two. You can make it where the Legos on the helicopters spin. There are lights on it that can blink, but the propeller won't move fast enough to actually pick it up off the ground. So there's a downfall with what you're actually going to do it with. But that shows how much more you can combine it with the Legos. Like you can make a car that drives automatically. You can make an airplane that rolls off the platform and glides down. But you can't actually make it fly because you're not using actual stuff to make it fly. Using these two kid toys, you can make something that you think can be made. For different ideas, can create different basic toys like a car. Engineering can come in different ways and help you get a job in real life.